Today we'll be showing you how to replace your offset supporting bar cantilever's old canopy with a brand new Formosa Covers replacement canopy. Let's get started. Now first, make sure to count your ribs. And yes, the supporting arm counts as a rib and you should have 8 ribs in total. Next, make sure to grab a tape measure, place where the rib starts and measure all the way to where it ends. You only need to measure one rib and this will tell you exactly what size you need to order. Now before purchasing, please check these 5 things. First, that your cantilever has 8 ribs. Second, make sure your canopy shape is round and not square. Third, please make sure it's not a double-tier umbrella. Fourth, now that you've measured your rib lengths, please use the on-screen chart to confirm your size. Pause if needed. And fifth, your cantilever style should be a supporting bar and not hanging. Pause if you need to double check. Once you've checked all 5, you're ready to order. Now, once your Formosa cover canopy arrives, take it out of the box and set it aside. We're ready to start the swap. Lower your cantilever all the way down, remove any screws or Velcro strap holding your old canopy in place. Now slide each rib out of the old canopy's rib pockets, and you may need a ladder or a step stool for this part, but remove the old canopy fabric completely from the frame and set it aside. Now, take your new Formosa cover canopy and drape it over the frame. Align the pre-cut finial hole at the top of the canopy with your frame's top hole. Now, using the included Velcro strap, wrap it around your support arm to secure the canopy. Find the grommet hole in the canopy and align it with your frame's screw point and screw it in to secure. Now, there's also a decorative vent piece you can use to hide the bare strap if you prefer it. After you're done, now insert each rib into its corresponding rib pocket. Work your way around the frame until all 8 ribs are secured inside the pockets. Now go ahead and crank your cantilever back up and that's it. Your umbrella is all set with a brand new Formosa Covers canopy. If you have any additional questions, please let us know.